Hello everyone! Take little rectangular pieces of green clay, then take a green ball of clay and then spread it out onto your green sheet of paper. Do this on each of them. Once you are done with this, take a marker and make different cute expressions on each of your sheets of paper. Add little hands and legs to it as well, and then in the side add musical notes and add green polka dots out of clay. Take multiple balls of clay of different colors and then make a circle shape onto some white circular sheet of paper. Flatten it using your finger and then on the top of each of them add a black piece of clay to it. Now make it look like they have hands and connect each to the other. Add a little Varis ball to the center. Take a green ball of clay, spread it out using your fingers and then do the same right beside it with different colors on either side. Then take some brown clay, add it in a line and then spread it out to the bottom to make it look like the ground. Add little bits on the top as well. Next, take an old newspaper, roughly cut it out, then take a red ball of clay and then mold it in your arms. Take a black marker, make a dot in the center of it, then take a earbud, spread some glue onto this clay. Now roll it in salt as such all around and then do this with multiple pieces. Add it onto your newspaper and let it be. Take two circular sheets of paper, one in red and one in yellow. The yellow one should be smaller than the red one and add red balls of clay to it in the middle. Now flatten it out. Take a red ball of clay, flatten it out and then using your fingers spread it out as such in 5 different sides as such. Use a green marker in order to make the stems. Do this with different colors. Take an orange strip of clay, flatten it out using your finger and underneath it do the same with yellow. Now roll one into the other as such and then spread it out at the top to make it look like flowers. Next, take a red ball of clay, flatten it out, then using any sort of rounded object, spread it out in different directions. Add a yellow center to it using some yellow clay. Do this for all of the sides as such. Then take some glue on a twig and then add it to the base of this. Sprinkle some yellow paint all over along with some red. Next, take 2 red pieces of clay and then put it together and spread it out, flatten it out using any sort of flat object. Add glue to the top, spread it out using earbuds and then stick clay all around it. Thank you for watching.